Stop spending time on complicated softwares in 2024 because there is a new AI video editing tool in the market which I use to make thousands of dollars just by making viral YouTube shorts. Today, we're going to edit a viral short using an AI software to see how easy and professional it is. We're going to use HitPaw Edimakor. It's the most user-friendly software in the market with advanced AI inbuilt tools. It provides me with the most professional experience with easy and handy tools that can enhance your editing process 2x to 5x faster and better. Simply head to the HitPaw website. I have mentioned the website link in the description. Download the software by clicking this button here and boom! Once installed, you're greeted by a clean, modern workspace designed to inspire creativity. Click this button here and press Preferences. Then scroll down and select 9:16 vertical format here for YouTube Shorts and select any FPS setting you want. I'm going with 60 FPS. Press this button to create the project first, then let's import our file. Drag and drop your video file directly into the HitPaw Edimakor timeline or click this plus button and choose your file. No fuss, no muss. Now drag your file into your timeline to get started. You can zoom in and out in the timeline from these buttons here or from this line. Also, zoom the video from here to fit the screen to make it suitable for YouTube or Instagram. You can also screen record anything you want just by clicking this button and eventually import it here. But let's continue. I'll firstly cut the video from where I exactly want to start and where I want it to end. Try to make it as short as you can. You can cut or split the file just by clicking this button here and delete the previous part. It's as simple as walking in the park. You can also filter out bad parts from the video by splitting them and then delete that part by clicking the delete button on the keyboard. You can also explore other options as per your taste from here. After you get the part you really want to play, now it's time to move forward and add music first. There are already hundreds of built-in music options, so you don't need to scroll for hours and find the best one. You can choose according to your mood and category. After selecting the best one, simply download and drag into the timeline. Lower down the music a bit, and here you go.
Me and my therapist talk about my higher goddess, my higher self. Like, I always want to live there, knowing that when I'm there, you can't take that away from me.
Now the video looks pretty fine, but let's add more incredible touches to make it even better. There are hundreds of best built-in text animations, templates, fonts, and text styles to easily just add into your video and save a ton of time. But for now, I'm using the HitPaw's professional AI captions generator to generate the captions and save a lot of time. Just by clicking here, the menu will appear. Select the main timeline option to generate subtitles for the whole video, or if you want it for a specific clip, click here. HitPaw provides you with a killer feature, and that is the subtitle translator. You can even translate the captions into different languages. I'm going with English for my American audience. Now click Auto Subtitling, and HitPaw will generate AI captions for you in no time. You can click any text layer you want to customize and change the spellings from here. Now the text is so basic, so I'm simply going to change the font from here. First select all the layers at once, and then do the changes to apply on all at once. I'm changing the font to A like Angular, and making sure it stands out. Place the text somewhere in the middle so the viewer can see it easily. There are also pre-made text templates to choose from, which is a huge time saver.
Me and my therapist talk about my higher goddess, my higher self. Like, I always want to live there, knowing that.
Now, if you suck at writing good scripts, HitPaw also provides an AI copywriting tool. Simply just click here, select the category, and describe what you want, and HitPaw will provide you with an enhanced professional AI script in no time. Now we have a lot of moving animated stickers, and PNGs is already in HitPaw's amazing software, so you don't need to download from other high-paying websites and wait for too long to download. Now, let's talk about transitions. HitPaw has a crazy amount of awesome built-in transitions. Select any you want and place it accordingly. From smooth fades to wild effects, there's something for everyone. All right, we're almost done, but I feel like something is missing, and it's color grading. Want a cinematic look, something dark and moody, or maybe bright and colorful? HitPaw has tons of professional-looking filters for any style. Just pick one that matches your vibe and apply it. I'm going for a subtle look to keep things balanced. And boom, our video is done.
Me and my therapist talk about my higher goddess, my higher self. Like, I always want to live there, knowing that when I'm there, you can't take that away from me. That's mine, and no matter what, you can disagree with me, you can agree with me, that's not going, I'm not changing, I'm not shifting. I'm here, I'm in my higher goddess. So I always live by like keep holding my happiness and not letting anyone else affect it.
Now I have an additional surprise here for you. HitPaw's effects panel is where the magic happens. It's like the cherry on top. They've got a ton of awesome 3D effects and other cool stuff. Need a fisheye, fireworks, blur, or halo effect? They've got you covered. So it simply proves that HitPaw is a real game changer. Now your video is completely ready. You can upload 2 videos per day for next 3 months, and there's a chance your channel can blow up easily. HitPaw also provides additional services like script writing, text-to-speech, and video enhancement tools, as well as many more. Visit their website to find more related tools. Check out the download link in the description and pinned comment. Get HitPaw Edimakor. Now, don't forget to watch my previous video on making AI avatars and hit that subscribe button now.